Mabuhay, Darwin here. In this video, I will unpacking a package from Adafruit industry that contains vinyl sticker that I will put into my laptop. So let's get started.
Find me when the sun sets.
Okay, let's check the stickers contain the package. Now, I got the stickers from Adafruit from a gift certificate that I got when I uploaded some projects in hackstore.io. Now, the stickers are listed here. They give me a list of the stickers. This is the Beagle Bone stickers. This is the HTML5 sticker here. This is the Linux Tux Penguin sticker. This is the Android sticker. This is the robotic sticker. This one is open source hardware sticker. And lastly, this is the Raspberry Pi sticker. I will put these stickers into my laptop that I'm using in editing my video and writing my programs. This is the Aspire 15 ES. I will put this sticker in the top of my laptop and I will upload the finish. Here I will put the stickers here, and that's all. If you like this video, give a like. If you like to updated into my future videos, subscribe. Salamat.